Day 30! And the boys are off. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Full bellies. Extremely tired today, as you can see. Yeah, we've been up already. We went to see the Hanging Gardens of Heligan. Lost Gardens of Heligan. Whoa, hold on. Lost Gardens of Heligan in the rain. Had a cool day yesterday, so we walked all the way from Port Low to just past Mevagissi, Port Pentewan, something like that. Pentewan Sands, which is quite nice. Met up with Sally in the cafe. That was quite nice. We bumped into her about 10 days before in a place called Bollock or something. Bollocks or something. Something like that, near to Pendeen. Anyway, so today is not such a bad day. I think we've only got like a 3-hour hike in towards Charlestown, which is just on the outskirts of St. Austell. And then we're going to get past, that's after Par, isn't it? Or before Par? Before Par. Then we're going to get to Par to be on par with our, that's a good pun, thanks guys, thanks. To be on par, on level with the itinerary. So, not too bad. Hopefully there's a bit of wild camping around there. The rain has hopefully jogged on to somewhere else. And it's going to be a nice bit of sunshine later, hopefully. See ya. Laters. So after the lizard, we thought it was going to be a little bit easier walking, but I think we were a bit wrong with that, weren't we? We've just had a couple of hard days actually. So we went past Port Low towards Mevagissi, was pretty hard. Lots of ups and downs all day long, completely knackering to be honest. Got to Mevagissi, big shout out to the people there who are absolutely lovely really. The barman in the place, a couple of people that worked there, a couple of people that were in the pub were just really nice. They said it'd be great if you stayed here, or if, no, what did he say? It'd be great if you yeah, come back. Come back anytime, something like that. See you again. Lovely to see you again. Nice welcome. Lovely. And then today's been a little bit tricky as well, from Mevagissi over to Par and around there, so it's not as flat as we thought really. Path's a little bit slippy, but generally it's absolutely beautiful still. The fields are all like bright green, trees are green, it's a bit grey and misty, but otherwise nice beaches, hidden coves and stuff like that. Ah, what a place. The lads have arrived, home sweet home. Look at that. That'll do, isn't it? Flatland. Backdrop of a factory. Nice. Really the best one yet, I think.